Assalamualaikum and good morning to Doctor and my fellow classmate. Today I will be presenting my assignment 1 for D30 3023 isu Etika dan Professionalism. Before I start my presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Nur Izatira binti Khairi. My metric number is D2022110201 and I'm from Group E. Today I will be discussing the crucial topic of computer crime and security. In our digital age, understanding the threats posed by cyber criminals and measures we can take to protect ourselves is essential. So let's begin with the definition. According to the Cambridge Dictionary, cyber terrorism is the use of the internet to damage or destroy computer systems for political or other reasons. Essentially, cyber terrorism merges the realms of terrorism and cyberspace, targeting computers, network, and data to intimidate or coerce governments or society for political or social objective. Significant impact can include physical violence, economic destruction, and attacks on critical infrastructure. I have chosen one of the real world example, which is Kwangya 119. This is a real-world initiative to combat cybercrime in K-pop industry, which is Kwangya 119, and online reporting center by SM Entertainment. This platform allows fans to report issues like fake news, defamation, and illegal ticket sales. By collecting and verifying this data, SM Entertainment can address and mitigate illegal activity effectively. So this is the website, Kwangya 119. Next, let's explore to intellectual property IP in Malaysia. The Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia, MyIPO, oversees IP laws, including trademarks, patent, and copyrights. Their website, MyIPO, provides resources for understanding and managing IP rights. My IPO responsibility is to administer and enforce intellectual property laws in Malaysia. It also focuses on quality and efficiency in granting patents, trademarks, industrial design, and geographical indication. So this is my IPO website. this is the step to register IP for software. Firstly, you need to create an account. You can sign up on the My IPO portal. The next one, you can prepare your application. You can gather necessary document. And the next step is submit your application, complete and submit online forms. The next step is pay fees, follow the fee schedule. Then the next one is application review, My IPO review, and may request additional information. And the next one is publication and grant. Upon approval, your software IP is legally protected. Next, we are moving to the privacy and surveillance. Surveillance is defined as watching a person or place, often due to suspected criminal activity. So there are 6 steps of surveillance. Types of surveillance include database surveillance. It protects database and confidentiality and integrity. The second one is internet surveillance. It observes online activity, while video surveillance used for cameras to monitor area. And the next one is satellite surveillance. It uses satellite to gather data. And the next one is mobile surveillance. It portable security system. And the next one is ID card surveillance, which is uses electronic database and biometrics. The example of surveillance include wire surveillance, CCTV, spyware, electronic surveillance, and GPS tracking. Next, employers can monitor employee computer activity to boost productivity. Methods include keystroke monitoring, screen recording, webcam monitoring, and location tracking. Other than that, government may spy on citizens using surveillance camera, wiretaps, GPS tracking, and data analysis. There are some ethical issues on surveillance. Surveillance raise ethical issues like privacy violence, power imbalance, and discrimination. Balancing security and privacy is very crucial. The next slide, to guard against surveillance, we can use VPN, use secure password, two-factor authentication, and limit social media activity. For the next topic, which is computer reliability. Reliability in computer system ensures stable, predictable performance, especially in critical areas like healthcare and finance. It reduces downtime and maintenance costs. There are 2 case studies highlight the importance of the computer reliability. The first one is LASCAD failure in 1992, which is malfunctions in London and ambulance service system led to delayed response and deaths. Other than that, there is also a study case about NHS NPF-IT failure, which is the UK National Programme for IT faced multiple challenges and failed, wasting nearly 10 billion euro. Lastly, let's discuss professional ethics using MySejahtera apps. Example, adhering to ethical principle, judgment, product quality, client and employer responsibility, and public interest is vital for the developers. The next point is product. It's to ensure the app reliability through thorough testing and validation. It also maintains security to protect user data. Other than that, judgment also important for this professional ethics. It uses professional judgment to balance technical reliability and ethical issue. It also addresses issues and make decision based on current knowledge and ethical consideration. For public, it prioritizes public health and safety. It also ensures the apps is accessible to all users and protect private data. For the next point, client and employer, it adhere to government standard. It also deliver a secure and effective apps. It also maintain transparency with client about projects progress and ethical concern. In conclusion, understanding the computer crime, intellectual properties, privacy and surveillance, reliability, and ethics is crucial in today's digital world. These elements ensure our digital activity remains secure, ethical, and reliable. Thank you for your attention.